a spiritual level, the Lover's card is about free will, existential choices, discernment. In French Tarot de Marseille, it is actually El Amoureux, meaning the lover, only one of them. The original card doesn't show a couple united, but what seems to be a love triangle, one man, torn between two women, looking like he is having a hard time choosing between the two. In both versions, we see an angelic being in the background, symbolizing divine intervention to help one make a choice. In the French tarot, it looks like a Cupid. On other versions, such as Rider-Waite, it is said to be an archangel, probably Raphael, acting like a guardian angel to help one figure out the best choice to make. Ultimately, this card invites the inquirer to resolve different aspects of their nature and personality, and to find balance between the material and the spiritual. Upright, the good thing about this card is that you have options. You have free will and should pay attention to signs from the universe or from your own guides to help you pick the best one. In a love reading, this card upright is a good omen. It predicts a possible soul-mate connection, often involving choices to be made, maybe between two people or between someone and an opportunity. It can predict meeting someone magnetic with whom you may form a union based on mutual intents and uncanny attraction. The beginning of an uplifting, positive romance. The kind of love that makes you desire the good for anyone. In an established relationship, this card shows harmony in a couple whose values align so well they think as one. Communication flows smoothly between the two. Depending on the context, the card may refer to a sibling, friend, or business partner instead of an actual lover or spouse. In business too, it is a good omen for harmonious and successful partnerships and financial opportunity. In health, this is a sign of good balance. In astrology, the Lover's card is associated with Gemini, the sign of duality and communication. Its timing is around the month of May. Reversed, the Lovers indicates difficult choices and indecision. The inquirer is either lacking information to make the right choice, or is so torn between options they can't make up their mind. A good advice would be to pay attention or ask for divine guidance or consulting experts if this is a material matter. It could mean that a current relationship is facing troubles with communication because a couple realizes that their values are incompatible. They can be facing some sort of emotional crisis, or their love lacks solid foundation and appears to be an illusion. In some cases, it can predict a breakup, or at the very least, taking a break from each other to resolve some matters that require making important life choices. One partner may be selfish or hiding something. A third person may appear to disrupt the harmony in a couple by creating a love triangle. One of the partners may be attracted to someone else and either hiding it or secretly engaging in an affair. In any case, it is all about indecision between two choices, two situations, or two people, with or without malice, be it in business or romance. In worst cases, there's duplicity and risk of betrayal. If the inquirer is single, they may have trouble finding love because they're too dreamy and out of touch with reality. They need to get out there and date real people instead of remaining stuck in fantasies. If the reading is not about love, the Lover's reversed shows disharmony, imbalance within the inquirer. They could be facing an internal battle and be unable to find harmony within oneself. Maybe they are torn between making a choice for their soul versus for their material interest. A dilemma must be resolved here, and one may be disconnected from their sixth sense and lacking inspiration to resolve it on their own. Or they could feel that the only choice they get to make is between the bad and the worse. Like none of the options is good, and they feel disappointed by what fate is offering. When it comes to health, the Lovers reversed may indicate issues with the nervous system, probably due to stress.